In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or delete a LinkedIn profile in another language. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a LinkedIn profile in a different language can be an invaluable tool for connecting with professionals around the world. To get started, first, we need to access your profile. Click on the Me icon, which is located at the top of your homepage. You'll see a drop-down menu, so go ahead and select View Profile. This will bring you to your main profile page. Now, let's look for the option that allows us to add a new language. On the right-hand sidebar, you should see a section labeled Add Profile in Another Language. This feature is available on the desktop version, so if you're using a mobile device, you might want to switch to a computer for this step. Once you locate that section, it's time to select the language you want to add. There's a drop-down menu where you can choose from a variety of languages. Make sure to pick the one that best matches the audience you're aiming to engage with. After selecting your desired language, you'll need to update some key details. Enter your name and headline in the new language, ensuring that they accurately reflect your professional identity. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for those viewing your profile. Next, let's get to the more intricate part of the process, translating your profile content. Once you've created the new language profile, you'll notice language tabs at the top right of your profile. This means you can easily switch between your original language profile and the newly created language profile with ease. To edit the content in the new language, click on the language tab you just created. Look for the pencil icon in each section, such as About, Experience, and others. When you click on the pencil icon, it will allow you to edit that specific section. Here you can paste your translated text, making sure that it maintains clarity and relevance for your readers. Now, if at any point you decide that you'd like to delete the profile in another language, you can do so easily. Return to the language tab you created and look for an option to remove or delete that language profile. Confirm your choice, and your profile in that language will no longer be visible on LinkedIn. Remember, having a profile in multiple languages not just makes you more accessible, but also demonstrates your commitment to engaging with a diverse audience. Additionally, always double-check your translations to ensure they capture the right nuances and professional tone. And there you have it. You now know how to create or delete a LinkedIn profile in another language, making your profile even more versatile. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you need any clarification or tips, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.